Welcome to Off-Road Explorer Garage, and today we're going to fit a Yoshimura pipe to our CF Moto 450MT. It does have a reasonably good note already for a standard pipe on all the adventure bikes that I've ridden, but you know, I always wanted to fit a Yoshimura pipe to one of my bikes. It's just I don't know, it's just, maybe it's just the name, Yoshimura. But anyway, we're going to fit the Yoshimura pipe, and it's a slip-on instead of full header system that we've done with a Tenere before. So it should be fairly quick, so let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is just make sure you've got all the parts, and with this kit there's really not that much to worry about. So the mounting Allen screw, spacer, nut for the other side, and the clamp for the exhaust pipe, and of course the muffler. Okay, so I like to lay out everything before I start. So I've got my parts there, and all you'll need is a 6mm Allen key, a 10mm socket and a 13mm socket, a 12mm spanner, and that's basically it. You can use spanners instead of sockets depending on where you're trying to reach, but those same tools will get the old muffler off and the new one on. Okay, so let's just get a genuine idea of the difference in weight between these two. And here is the standard pipe. Just going to sit it on there and balance it. And that's around about 3.5 kilos of weight. Pull that off. Get the Yoshimura. And that's about almost 2.7. It's a little bit of a weight saving, but with the added performance it would make a big difference to the bike. When fitting the muffler, I've used a Motorex bike grease with a handy applicator brush, but I recommend using a heat-resistant anti-seize copper grease for the exhaust pipe joint. So when you put the muffler on the pipe and locate where the mount has got to go, move it as far forward as you can. Put the bolt in. Just give it a bit of an extra push to make sure that it's seated properly on the headed pipe. Okay, so nice and firm. Then and we're done. So there you have it. Yoshimura pipe on my 450MT. Sounds a lot better than I thought it would. I'm going to get it out on the road in the next couple of weeks and see how it compares, if there's much of a power difference from the previous, or the standard exhaust. But you know, who cares? It sounds great. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you in the next one.
Several days later.
Oh, and don't forget to like and subscribe and all those sorts of things, and look out for our next video.